ahwe mo aburochire another enra me classmate bi me hu na che amoisi good enough botwe say o Germany good enough botwe o Germany nene nansa na o hu me na o send message di aba say kwa me fa number ne ma asemasi no fa mre me hwe wa che say aburochire na wona wuti a wunya hoden wunya nyamedom Dabi ameka matese amanfo a church se Nyankopon ni ho abusua eno nyama asem Nyankopon ni ho owo ho Nyankopon ni ho abonsam ho fa no te wotrim eti nyame o hwe yeso fili January bepe ma na adua no abrama ma hwe wo so obapa kuzi hwe wo so akosu ansa no hwe wo so safori hwe wo so lampard hwe wo so negative hwe wo so owura santu hwe wo so owura afro onja woso ofasamin fum mi amna na bema akrahene enra bisa question osi dabi ana ebe cheche mu ha onja woso okuma radio mpanyi onyame hwa yeso Professor Dr. Poku Benson nyame hwa yeso okware zigibi apostolic fo abrante ya odi maji fancy donzi hwa woso odamia ba ku friends K Brown Mewada Kwame Adi akosu ansano jase munyina awrade hwa mo so parliament sport antenance no mo Ibrahim jase munyina awrade hwa mo so a bosome se ekoba na etoye ni yeji yani ni latefo hajiji no mo awrade mo ban ye papa de masofo evangelist Dr. Abofe ye papa kwasi osofo abugiri osofo tabodon osofo cancer good tidings for awrade hwa mo so sonko a boni bi enkamo da biada anopai ya tenase ye den kabo na ba nemom ansana kabo no esu beto a enframadi kan ye behwe da ugbo enkrata ni mu kakra na yetumi asore so ye sore so no ndu a na Kwame Amponsa di AK enra Ghana football yi atete se kontebe 4:00 na Kwame Adi ani apanfort ya adan a ye be kanfo abrofo ball ai mahuni entia se abrofo no ombekọ manim asen se Nyankopon na yesa we can call for a debate me the Bible quotation to was a bam and one no can call for a debate ai the Bible in the kasa as okura manwa na de akoto TV and na be remote di ama afi omayimu nipa mpa no kore donzi omayimu nipa mpa no kore na je se obi ya de na anya je se no ogina chebeka se resign why ya de enye watro 1+1 watro 4 ento bi na beka kire o se 1+1 anya phone paper na tware foforo awurade se Nyankopon ka se wapo yen awurade mpo yen yesrew nana odehye odai o feel late ninchi efi hono koye radio adwuma bia ne nam nkran a bepie mu akwapema mu sabredi akonwa wo ne krom na wote eye omanti asema okrepongbu ombendidi nsomansi bu achi kanka eye omanti asema akugwa akrai mu akwaba
Mejozo di boy.
Yeah. Na bibia ye.
Oh, Nyankopon adom ehye pa.
Yeah.
Na wo ye de wan hwe a obema ya bo abrante ya sen o.
Yeah, no.
Asori biti se Pentecost apostolic. Apostolic mienu no.
Ghana Christ apostolic in Ghana. Yeah.
Na ebia assemblies kakra udi hu agori a won abo asen
sorry me ensen nyina no nyina ye baako enti so mbon krofo sen de omom ye mpapa mu ne mbom nsen omom papa mu no Ghana apostolic Christ apostolic and Pentecost and Ankansan African faith no nyina ye baako no nyina ye baako enti ebo obi asen de enyam ambo adwaman kakra ne se bom sen omom papa mu no yekwati ya ka abaso asore aba ni Pentecost ni Christ apostolic ni adio yeah wo mo de ni bue ba nyamso mu botai coach akese ai se matter the president ya se e kaba yu na kwa fota de no
kwa labidi
Pentecost for na aja mateme ho correction ni o mateme ho correction nya hwe
correction na won
waja
kakra ebedi
na se me osofo nana meti asore sesia nipa beba ofo se makoti bu aburuchire correction ya correction so ya gia ye mfa hwan sore ma no asofo ikakre edi
correction ne de
na tia se school dance so apa radio station ka na aban ko boso na asofo ne mma nko ho osofo ne mma enkom sofo ne ma no enkom minka sofo ma enkom baby o me ade ba kwa me gidi say we meta di sofo ya to ka ketwa bi am say kia morning bi ketwa bi ya to bi ama wo de around unkodi kiu mu o konkran afi na kodi kiu mu twokotwoko de me pesa ade no we president sofo ya to ka kakra bi di ama o ti ase wo de around ne di dan me hu say ye papa no sofo bi comedy di omo na mfam me bofu ye ya omo comedy di omo na mfam o ti ase ya to ka ade ama mo no de ya adwuma no instrumentalist ya tuo mo ka kama we dey know
instrumentalist ya tuo ka
and I said Pentecost president there be anyway tuaneka
David
yeah
David
e jordan say bo correction ni mo onsuro bia asomo ne
David eno so untumi fansa
na me say ordinary say bo mo hwehwe
untumi fansa
ana me say ordinary also nana
untumi
me say me tie okoma radio ene ma me kwan ma me mo bon crofo din wa anka metumi abudin a kire date time I think crofo we o fa sorry sika
say wo fa de ayebebo asen ne ya suspend
omo de
suspend
omo soso ho ne ade
ya be suspend ya chiro nkwa de
na asori de tumi take 35 years na ye nwie na adesti asori na untu aneka e ba say so nkoto cement mbra we de nkoto papa
obeto
yeah
agbodon cement
na yeti akurase papa bi ye papa evangelist abo format asori bi wo baby a safari way kwose so no mo dada so no kona yes ono kwa na si children's chapel yeah grace for pen children's chapel across the ridge yeah if you yeah me there be me say me koso aka no cry on radio off radio me say if the church will do just 10% now by 90% you won't be toyen papa.
Oh sure. So wo hwe sadia sika eba sorry mu. Enye asori ba ko na ye dey see any so akasam.
Yeah, asori illegal connection train light dey sum nyame. Ah, urade.
Asori illegal connection
train light and sum nyame.
Adresum nyame. We la. We asem. Na nyame som no papa muni
pipe commission house dey illegal.
Yeah, illegal. We nti na papa muni.
Urade.
We. Diva ehu on say sisia no amanfo aye fast wo niam bi hu ama wo di hu kronkron ni Yesu kra kan
nana no kwase wo mu say bible na say bible kan bia no kwase nimdie be doso ti nipa nimdie na e ko anim a nipa nimdie e doso ha o se obia be hu nyame
yeah
obia be hu nyankopon
na o start here na o say nipa bi say nyankopon ni ho
yeah be o muka
na ene say na yetumi ka say sankrofo no say ne akyerosem ne kan wa Samson no
kwase ano say omo debate ne say I said because to make say Isaiah say na wo say den ye beto ni pe say me ma meto kwa me nkroma be say no independent man 6 months ya atum
ye gidi
enti me nkodi nwa chinye bebre me na de no kwani nyame anim say me ni bible nwa chinye I just say opese wo chia ade no there no way ene me ma won chia no say nyankopon ni ho for what reason
oni ho me de megini di una onje ndia
dan me te obi ye ncheche say na nipa ye sebe ade ena wonyi kono no ahu nyansa na koto breed
no de chani dia
koto breed mo wan chen papa bi wo aya don't move Abraham mo she we say why otimi kan se me to da bia uti asem no kan bi wo no kre yeah enti nipa no ye ade no koto breed no wan man is ka no
no koto
not infa
ni nu koto ni nu ade chen
the ade no so ade no konkran
yeah no koto
breed no ade chen o ti be wonu ma when come be na ya brofo no o mo hwe se brofo we die
bibini sade na ya bibini we jimia ma bibini ka jebro ni kro nyindi
asamu it's no pay 1st September yeah expectation for this month na
sania osikan no edu month of delivery nti no asese adwuma bia onipa wo ye bia no o make sure say obosome no be ko na awie no na watimi deliver
okay
watimi deliver at least 1 year kura na say utumi deliver about 70% of the work that you are doing. And individually no wabrabo no so no. Say we make sure say
assessment you say.
Yes. Yeah. Saying na brabo no echo. O de fiase fiti January. Ah be pemane. 9th month.
Yeah.
Until 9th month no. Aka 3 months. Ye we aka 3 months. Na bosom na so. Until last quarter. Muna ye we. Then na watimi aye. Abrabo ben na watimi abo. Okay. Niema o de see wani so no. Ye do last quarter. Wo ye mu ahe percentage ahe na wo ye. Ahe na wontumi ye. E den na si nti a wontumi aye. Na wotumi ye nso a den na ehye wo nkuran na wotumi di ye. So dan sane tumi tenase na odwene sa adwene ya. Nyame wo nkronkron emma no nyansa ne adwene na wo asese ni nyina na watumi ehu ba bia afi esese otunu nan esi. Enti ye besere atiefo se ye ponche. Sabri ene aye first onya abotre non tenase na ono ankasa ndwene na brabom onfa pen ni paper nto ho me ye we mentimi anye we course we ba ne se den na me ye afei na afei watumi ehu nya anamo a obetu for the last quarter.
Okay,
that's the boy
yo audition so amabetenase ohineba asase wura dente kokroko amanka ire kutotintia wo anantu ye ochame otwa boy aja ano ye nyina me jo fie na get bi e ma fa o se da bisa e kenda me hia no me jana tu me feel na no be sen emu ne no
ano feel ni za no feel
ya atu ne de obetimi aye
na sa man ka say yo so be feel wa be sen Spain for the
say Bible say fa no kronkron fe wa
on juju o se kra ko
ano feel there in same Judas go feel afun kra so we
Kwame.
Okay.
1st September. Yeah.
No say na naka we but mbese me kai na say na Friday.
Yeah.
Friday.
Anya Friday ordinary keke na first.
Na Friday. Anya Friday.
Friday.
Anti Friday dey on tufo. Ntino. We kan.
What in so mfa.
Nya dia ba ko si obi e na obeti. Nti Friday dey anya na
Friday futu be eni ho.
Na onka de share Monday.
Monday ya.
Okay. Kan na Friday ne dey. We can be as want to for to be out the train. And I said, I will my for some plans, but some for booking.
After work, no pepper,
appointment. You know, yes, I'm about to some time. I come out versus Friday.
Friday, there. Come say futu anyhow. Come say nkata ne nsakeka. Tie bekom ana na o record chese ne no ye ne mpanyifo ba ku menu mensa bi be kasa na ye ne our hub Farouk e be kasa about ye koku e koso e bi memu ne ade na say run obo asim bi so na me ko check ye na yampa anti sisika no o mo say yemfa sika no emma no na ye ne lawyer so ka be twetwe nkomo lawyer Paul Kumi na yetumi ahwe kakra nanka ye ko ye ni mu an amount for the free by 50 last week say anka ye mom yimbi lines no mo nchiro mo adwene ne ade a na owura akode kire say owura Gideon kire say asa akwanya no and then ye ma amanfo akwanya no na yimbi line ntum na ne o mate ne ye koso bi odi bibi woni bibi hu bibi ye nkra ye nimbi na wo mo nso emfa emra na ye nso no mu kakra on say see something do something na bibi entumi enkon kan na de nyina entumi kam ntene no yehwe na yetumi aye ne sa ne mo yebesoro so ntem sana be ya sports phone betumi abo mo e dia o kan si mu nsem so etumi say o kan si mu nsem bebre aba ai Haaland and na mhwe documentary bi trata nyina woni mka obi otumi tika trata de be de won'tumi hyego
basa anya fofole pa o
team ai group no mo no Kwame Basa group na nyemu na we wono ai ma fa Champions League bi dey Porto na Porto say Porto nya cheren service
Sabre no na
Barcelona FC Porto
Sabre no na
Royal Antwerp in Shakhtar Donetsk
Royal
Antwerp from Belgium
Antwerp
City
Antioch City e hono mo na Yesu wukoye no no ombo mo bra na omkase wenum ya Christopher nti Antwerp okay
Belgium
okay Yeah. Lukaku mukromo. Lukaku. Obi a woni mbobo na iska on ho na ene ye kono so. Etino ya trase. DJ Ziggy B na DJ Donzi womo ana hwe na ye inframa ye namu DJ Ziggy de no kwasem edia so ye methodist ni adwuma de no kra ne nyame no no Ziggy de no kra o ya de papa adwuma de onimbo Donzi so nsinumbo na apostolic guest no na mo say ye mu chia hene wa ne yago
me obe maya bo bia branti asen ja sa de na wo
hene wa hene yago ono na di nti ma twraka listen listen no me wo no ebi wo mitim ebi wo so agi se mehwe hene wa ne yago de no
ono ya okay
se mehwe hene wa ne yago mo o police station eno no Donzi na ya de ba ana Ziggy so ya incha miliki miku na ya opebrofo nyom yeah ana kwa me di so na no de fine girl be to ho K Brown de kire menura K Brown ana de kire menura
I crowd de kire menura person obey attachment
okay welcome back daily analyst without fear or favor Friday September 1 2023 volume Michelle volume na me kai ade bi Ziggy de kire me nipa nyo volume 0.03 I say alleged plot to remove Dampare. I started lobbying for IGP in 2017. COP George Mensah makes shocking revelation. Kufuado set up ex gratia committee. Hey, Rade. Mahama didn't sell Ghana Port and Harbour. Says former GPHA boss. Or say you Mahama. Wanton. And you ton Ghana had ye be the some beba. Anna Yura Kofi Ete. And a pay NGO. Okay, MPP chairman Yura Kutuka. And NDC Yura Kofi Ete. Na Kofi Ete no Nigerian church member. And an advance year meba. The Dennis. A nice boy. Na no one funny Boache Jako.
Oh, okay.
Ura Ete no. Ne maame nua ene Ewura Boache Jako.
Oh, okay.
Enti baby aha no mkra na o se obesi dan de ama wo no mo wo ebru ha ana ne maame so ne manasi bi dada enti Ewura Boache Jako yes o painti on o yade oh yade papa na yeah I see MPP gets 5 aspirants to contest November 4th election as Jako declines to contest over legal approaches. But that's not some nema nam na kwan mu no senia omo ye nema no hodum na omo hwa oh damn no one hwa the takra mu a ne aye no em say e be tete nkrata atwere bi mi si ha mi chia mo e memo ba na na di
mi si ha mi chia mo pi
and Africa needs more female mama come here di ahwe mama Africa needs more female leaders to drive equitable pandemic recovery effort. Africa needs more female. Now, I know a daily analyst. And NDC leaders call on GJ, urges media to hold institutions accountable. And then, about daily analyst, Nimuno, and I am from Makuma. Me found the animal preko. Me found the animal.
So in terms of those
o de na ye ayi
is a me asem no
oh kwame say onimu dada o e ma asem no ba untimi donzi de no kwen nyame no tu so de na de obi ani ho
so nkwa na me ba adwuma
yeah nkwa no anity
the boy I pay into your comment
of no any other way on the this thing daily analysis no
okay it is senior okay no ma me share the daily analyst anymore. Africa needs more female leaders to drive equitable pandemic recovery. Now we know Ababawa or no super so jina say MP our NDC demo na you know clear sa you know mami hu din no next time.
No doctor that me.
Next time what about? What man clear na you know. But there was Sonny Okan on say over the years, they be an yakasi women empowerment and affirmative action and for me I think I will agree with her. On say after COVID the buy country be an man be a kasa oka asamo can say COVID in nama what try then about most of the African countries. Most of the African countries can COVID in nama what try but say if COVID the money ever say sang a shisha ni ama yena ya economy ni jina na nso no unhi obi obetime take bold decisions obi obetime take bold decisions and yan hwe yan Africa your leadership ni nyina akoye merema your leadership ni nyina na your leaders ni nyina akoye merema into there are some decisions be a wontumi entake for me also even in the house who fear obere man tutu ni ama ya but edu baby a obia na to me take decisions there be say na me person
yeah
obia na to me edu baby obia na to me take a bold decision although ni kunu wo but obia na be take bold decision atunya de obere man se me nko obia na se me ya den me ko ne bible na kura na yeso bi di ani mu kura na obere man be ka so onko obia na be den e be di ani no akoka asem na ya dem e dey feel so for me I'm not saying say we should put in more females but there are some Arabia and conflict and presidency, not only in Ghana, I'm talking about Africa. Yenya Myanmar those positions in Libya and Katima ne mobile war no a bit me abwa ama the way I see develop Africa and we to make naturally there can be more intelligent than a naturally. But of late, the young say, "Yam so in terms of politics and management in there, so for me, if say a bit me in our politics, in our government, I think say and also because Africa you great women, great women, and I think say you to me more
Obaba yam man opportunity Africa and Ghana Excellency the late president Nana Akufo-Addo Admirals.
Oh, she was also the first lady. I work as a new Kununa warrant to know a first lady, but you from the PNDC, from the revolution Baniano. She took charge Niyama Bimu and so for me I would say that she has paid her dues, but then the younger ones are out there. Oba Ghana, you were Kukudam, and Mia Kukudam, you talk of the Betty Mori, Drisu, talk of the former Attorney General. The former Attorney General. Yes, and also a lot of women. We've had Obi Awabe, Speaker of Parliament.
Give it for India as
yes, what the third most powerful person in government, Ghana, and as in Ghana. Why cannot we have a female Obetumai, even the second most powerful person, and I say even the first. So for me, I think say we should give a Miano opportunities.
I mean, decision be brought take off here. My man, final way, no.
Yes. For me, I was so happy when the ex-president, former enemy, no Pokwajiman said never animate because now I know so much a Miano opportunity. So you did me to cry. So now you can. I well ada funyamiti be didi hopes na do ni I tape me say obi every person a vice president until can be na near because of party. For me, if you give the women more opportunities in government, I think say every boy pa.
I started lobbying for IGP in 2017.
Boy, no, me do feel me nya share the proceedings again. And Mary Home as a citizen of Ghana, we the Inspector General of Police, IGP, George Akufo-Addo Dampare, ne ho asem anaba. Ne ho asem na ba no enso nye nkrofo bi a rekasa nsem ne se ono a ne nkrofo on won e the Ghana Police Service mu. Commissioner of Police, COP, we are Commissioner of Police and ya de ketwa. Won na ka no nsem. And yera George Mensah kopie mu ewo Parliament committee I want to say one hwehwɛ saa nsɛm yi mu no di ma ne nsɛm bi ɔkan ɛno mirror hole to be honest, and a very, very dangerous. Remember, funny say you're gory, or you're commissioner of police, or admit it, say, or you're part of MPP. Ninse be oka o tape no osi ebi ye no kware ebi ye no kware na de ba ko kan ya mami hu say we are living in dangerous, or we are moving on dangerous year.
You are sitting on time bomb.
Say IGP is mismanaging the police service. COP on the IGP ne move. When you know about the police council, they are members of the police council. COP no George Mensah, I am a member of the police council. Our committees are when you know what time upon back home, they discuss our security. Is saying say the IGP is mismanaging, and he will say it anytime, any day, everywhere, anywhere. Obeka.
Now, who did say IGP is mismanaging?
I never know Obeka.
Okay.
What's the name?
But I mean, who in some Biblia and you papa ne cano because see how police is visible everywhere.
It's not about the visibility of the police service, but it's about a Juma warrior. What you who wants to know when you may be. But let's look at the current IGP. And you may be defending and as a Mabekan. But we've seen an improvement.
Yes.
In the Ghana police service.
Yeah.
So for a COP to sit on live television, no off camera and come any problem because it will be an internal thing. But we are better born saying, "Oh no, kasi, oh no, IGP just on pen asem, was starting a lobby or besanko the IGP from 2017 or the new CV. I come out bugri na abu so one no made the IGP since 2017, and 2017 that was when MPP came to power. 2017 we had Yeura Asante Appiah as an IGP. Ntina say ono na yamfa man no come Asante Appiah. After Asante Appiah yansan yamfa man yamfa come James Opombo enu. Na Asante afa no. For the third one Odim Sanke the same man no yansan yamfa na say come Yeura George Akufo Dampare. So it means that Papa no Philip Bitter COPO or Philip Bitter say since 2017 obeso the IGP no 3 consecutive times ni nyina ye dey afa no. And very, very dangerous as a country. We need to look at this. And in so many people in the tape, was say over his dead body, say NDC will come to power, and definitely you make sure MPP breaks the 8. Police officer, not an ordinary constable, not a corporal. COP, commissioner of police, who the IGP money. So for him to say this, the boy, I felt so sad.
Kwame, o say police adwuma me nyebi yenhye but me nimu bebre but I say IGP di no udi I think say as a vice president because me off who me question papa bi wo ye important mu ha no mu a o mampanyi Kufuor breast no onu so no benya wanya no or resign or ba fie
the man
yeah
for you to become an inspector general of police
yeah.
IGP small position o. Nipa
30 million kwa na IGP. As a blaster captain.
See man me one thing I'm feeling is this probe can go say.
Okay.
Because there are so many probes I have Ghana. You probe na everything be.
Okay.
So and Oshe a year what the committee na a year committee na was they should find out the authenticity of the tape.
Okay.
We know the recommendations or the command.
Okay.
Recommendations or command.
Okay. Kwame, everyone has no submission. And what I also Africa needs more female. I didn't tell you IGP, so I started lobbying. Hey, lobbying.
The boy made us say, Oshe sa a massem ya Mammy Oken ya. A Fabino, meneno a yajune say Tikrum Quajina. And baby a merima will be no mmea ewo ho eboa because we was seso boafo nti aya na se mmea efraye mu ase ye wa adwuma hu akra no mmea fraye mu eno na ema adwuma no ekonkan but in the way of leadership ni ade no se eba in the political race dia obi enfo bi se brabeye achi say ebia se wo mampani bi ewo so no office ministerial appointment we de me de be mo bia na se me de be ma SMS dia ene owo ho kwan se ode mo bia but eba na ye mfran say assembly election ye parliamentary election eno no wo ye obia na se wo akukuduru na wo ho ye den a da wo ho adi na ko stande na yanto wo so aba uweni a ana che say waye ya asanto a adwen mu da ho wo nyansa wo strategical plans a wo de ye wade eno no na se obenya tumi no a obetimi de aye biribi na entumi mma se ye pemia ntino na yereko akwakoto aba na ese odododu mpeso asode yenjauma ema na wonko na ema enkonkopre no wonko da bia ne de oye ne sa enyeyi enti se obia no ene mmerima nkopre no otumi stand firm no wini a eno ene kire sampa obia wei wode no kosa eyeye so ade ase ya enti se wokan ye ho a eyeye on say yeyi bi no deputy ministers yeyi bi ministers na wogusuara awore ye adwuma na enye se ye pemianti na che se ye sorry ya obia brane enko obia brane enko
ni mo ba bi oyi ni mpapo ama ne bodyguard se won kura
isi
minister
okay isi enti enya mmia bia yo enya ni pa nyina na ni se nsuto ya sorry kodem
okay okay and another submission and I started lobbying since 2017 nafi enrani true nafi yemra the policy kana so
e ka me nko a anka sasem we omanye no camera amfa TV na obia ehu anka wonye no parliament ho no ara na won tenase no won ka sasem because we affect your insecurity so on mine affect your insecurity say obia ugina police brane se na utumi ka sansem we na ofe use tape no kra no ase adapt tape no fan bi baby enim ni ade okay then na okan
okay
then na okan asam no na sentence no na esi then hefa na afim na hefa then na okan a inwan yi afim no na nka waka sentence na mekane se kosi se
okay
enti aha ne ha na wo mu so ebae no enim eno na yebehu se ampa ore kasa na o ka se na asem no kra nya ne sa ebi wo ho a echen se enso eno no enim den ade na echen sa anti a enim enti asem no emede se wo besan ato aso na ensi ye because papa to me say wo shia no wo kan nsem pa wo kan nsem pa na se wo hwim na se na menu akan we nkosi hwe because se o kan yo wan kan wan twentuo wan twese kan se orekwa akotu no enti ono na adwene na ayeden wa kire enti we enkosi hwe obi kan my mouth no be gone
okay yo enti yen hwe daily graphic so o say ex Gracia demands debate President Kufuado and omoche Gracia no say ebeji atum say ebema ananse yema no ye be pa committee na omotimi atnas na ya hu debate say Gracia yemfama na say yemfama daily graphic there and no Republic Press Republic Press on also say OSP Office of the Special Prosecutor no flawed again I just say Zambia no or kwa ni abotia no as court defrost ceaseless when adema frozen account they say ni agyi nyina no hwe na yenye emame ade emfama no good and I say the Chronicle also say Akufo-Addo prays for moderate ex gratia no one sem so na Chronicle ede abano I say one more no I say near Republic Press the buy no say court tells OSP fa ante sisi sikano mano ozo ze kwa mtripa fa ante sisi sikano mano nana so say ase ni original and if you say you are to forcing we insist Bank of Ghana boss must resign na what na ya menti ase no ntino je say ye de ya de na enya iso bi na be ka kire say o ka say obi enya obi anum say nsuo to a
yes I record them
kwa me hear dispatch why dispatch say on saka na
the Daily Dispatch na also Bawumia won because he is the only one who can defeat Mahama. No any aid era Bekon Gideon Bekon ono na aid to Dr. Bawumia Chirim say the entire Bawumia di nkunim or the special super delegates congress na so so ono kwa na MPP mu obetumi ade John Dramani Mahama chi aka form 2024 to no
2024 ayo ya say ya to him na see last him obi anka ami enough am sao
I say amanfo ogidi wo ntina auto man no out of 900 votes no nya 600
yo
enti amanfo ogidi wo na the man
yeah
topic we ma hwehwa pop
emuni no
also Kenya hit by condom shortage
hey
anyway
Kenya
I want to grow man am we Kenya yinsu
Oma Kenya ya
Jomo Kenyatta
Uhuru Kenyatta
no mu Kenya awa it's a condom a short acronym
na oji say den tin ma condom short here kwa me condom we say o pese o record ade na sound dem memu a na o de a share mic na no obi say sigi
na ndi wo condom e share mic anu a
na so o pese o recording na sound bi a memu a unya condom a
na wo ye condom
ana me che ba akono ade
ba akon den tin wo ye condom
ana fe ubetimi di nsu agum
market wa adu condom
experiment o de call a lab
won fa nkwala won fa condom nsu gogum wa lab nko ye hwe condom wo do bo ho ban fi eye nnam yarewa e kan na afi nso no so on ye krado say wo ba wo ya wa ko hye nyinsa a eno nso no na wa hye oberema wa hye na de abo ho ban afi wo mia no so hye bi wo mia condom
abasore kini ma aja say den
yeah don't ya so the experience
but just say den mu krom kra no ta short nkoko
short ya hunya because yes say the man good say condom we be use na short than say akofa unwanted pregnancy adiaba and say STI in dem yarewa nti no bo ho ban yi ba Kenya din na wo chesa a short amanfo na use condom na mana asa wonya bi nto
e chesa oman mu ni nyina
say Kenya kuro bi wo
kuro bi tisa na yetumi short wo kwawi
there be we dey oman Kenya ni nyina including the capital wa banyina tena kura no condom a short e wo Kenya
okay
the man
okay
say bi si okuro ma dia nsem be pure rough for boys and sorry
Kenya for my there
the boy kai sanyum we abofra bisa ne papa se papa condom de ne di papa no mama na nsa
empenyifo belu empenyifo newu abofra bonwa okay
the man condom a short
and I say empenyifo belu empenyifo newu ai ti kwa me
DJ Donzio ni subai
battle for
the don't the first one or city ade
okay
What do you mean? Why must I sing in line? What do you mean?
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Everybody, bamba body quick.
I'm a friend, Bisani Papa say. Daddy condom, Papa no, mama no suai. Penny for balloon, penny for the who. I'm a friend, Bisani Papa say. Daddy condom, Okuma Radio 97.1. Penny for balloon, penny for the who. I'm a friend, I'm a tatis, I'm a friend, I'm a tatis, Daddy wait, Ubanza, so Daddy wait, Ubanza. I'm a friend, Bisani Papa say, Daddy condom,
kwa me answer
I was say Kenya president be answer the condom a short
to e krom ho
let's answer
wow
condom
omu pra de mu tie ye se ku wi ma na condom
e chesa manfo didi pa o Kenya Amfo didi o Kenya
Hey.
pa.
I tell you for come paper when they buy no.
Where the Daily Dispatch?
Oh, okay.
The
No,
Daily
I said
Dispatch.
then.
I said Kenya hit by condom shortage.
Almost the idea green highlight into no. Green and white.
Now you ain't to me supply Biana.
Ghana. Wait to me.
Also, we want to meet the Zan and I.
Never saw your for Kenya.
Yeah, Kenya
So you are short one and since you are baby Jura bebo. How beba baby. I short to the other one.
Me question back who han say. Emma condom na short na me man dey na.
Condom short. I remember the Nkwana short and can remember bit my for man, the other teacher.
Actually,
And you use your rubber bag.
I'm not for you,
Polythene bag. Black. And I'm imagine. Oh, you are not the time.
Africa.
Boom.
Come here, the class of million feeder. Or see, because Bruni, a yellow play to know. And
the
oh, Bruni yellow play to know. Now you need Gary to know from their back.
Yes,
I chop about smart certified.
I go your can as a dark back uncle. Bomb by the better sorry now. I brought for the bulldozers, but 2 million. Tragana West, I'm a greedy. Now, I am manual now, but when I did, we are moving your munchunko.
I got me, I tell one who say, battle for President Mahama running mate slot. Professor Nana Thor's Central Region. My share no matter the program be as dance. I don't know so matter this. I think say I can mass something come on man.
One say beto about there obia politician ni bia a Christian ni. Or say a Muslim ni or no back on a Christian ni say a Muslim ni. To me come
eti no say o yen san fan man na say cuz who say mema yum te.
The boy. Anka we no esra de yefo a achichide ntobi we no nka me ka bi enye ba won what won ja ho an woni onim se sasem we no sisi asan koye nchiri wa hye bebre ebi no pese vice in Voter region because on asum NDC ache enti ebi no mo lobby pa serious say enko Voter region isan say central for no edi ache wa hwe ayi Rollins mreso besi Mahama mreso se konkansan western ni we nyina won we abusuafo bi kakra na ete wontem aha enti ya ba besi Mahama so wo hu papa yedi call ni nkrachi obefa ma mi jina wantimi anwini enti na che se ni nyina no central for anti sisi voter for nani aprepa say come what may as I say vice no so eba wo
voter dey say nka kujota brako and I say if you got it
if you got it so a good candidate I'll bet me
because if you got it quite fast so we need NDC secretaryship because on shedan country be brain but otimi yeah
on so no yes action guys ni bi na
you want to share am pe wasem
you NDC for no so youth na na so won wo form no wo pesa nkrofo no wo hwe kuje do abrakwa wo hwe fifi kwete sa nkrofo no wani edin se wo kase wo eno na nka baba jama pese oye bia na no kopa na
baba jama wo hwe the appearance was very cool but yeah
call bra wo ye won yi wo tamale na ye call sabra na me was station bi wakra na ye call ye na edu bra se nya ye sore na papa etwetwe no ho kakra nkakra baba jama
so le dey do one enya tete me tiase ene ma so endra e be do one endra okwape no dwa lunch ase e do one sorry e cha na e ba mu che kakra na fi radio station fi boys ya mu die aduane ya ama so le ne cha de nsem bebreba
so le ne cha de nsem bebreba
so le ne cha
nim sa de no ba
ya
Tuesday dia mayo
Tuesday dia no ko fo do dia no
mai
Ozi obeno abefo
me so nra sa no kan se be na abefo die oh
enema for strategy won ne ya strategy am for fa
kwa me na se sia no
won ya ne table top na first why na
se sia no so le no online for na dɔɔso dodo online for na dɔɔso ɛna tu nneɛma ɛyɛ asɔre ne nso kyɛ no ɔyɛ ɔdɔ pɛsɛ ohun sɛ story no wayɛ ansa na dan mi hyia baako bi sɛ megye yɛ ɛno kɔ akyɛ nam wɔ mountains ne hɔ akyɛ deda bɛ sɛ 10 years ni ɛsɛ agya sɔre baako na ama o ɔsɛ noa na yɛde breki yɛ ho nti na ɛba na ɛkyɛ saa no a kɔna adeɛ akyi a metumi na woka so wɔ nipa mu nti ɛno asɛ station baako sɛ na afei na ofie kura tv kura tɔ ɔna ɔhwɛ ɔmo hwɛ aduane yɛ agye bi ka ho ɛnkra station o hwɛ aduane yɛ sɛ aduane baako yɛ bobɔ yi
round
white one no hwɛ
Emutu.
dabi ɛnɛ wɔ yi
ɛnyɛ assemblyman
dabi omi yɛ hwɛ aduane din ebi wɔ brackets hɔ
yɛ bobɔ
na mo bibi ahyɛ mu ni dini ba na ɛkɔ meka yɛ spring roll ni nua no shawama ofo hwɛ adeɛ yɛ akwa baako mi hwɛ ne din na akwa ne suban no akwa ba ne suban ano
tia bi na ɔyɛ yi na san kɔ ha na ndra mete sɛ waba hɔ
ne suban o sɛ ayi papers ne baako ka sɛ NDC leaders na petition GGA ne adeɛ ɔmo ka ntɔm sɛ journalists ɔmo kɔ assignment ɔmo kɔ aduane so ɔmo nyae
sakwa ndɛ minim no kɔ program
kokova adeɛ kakra
fa nya agro
etimi dane etimi kwa etimi dane akasa
on there o sha ɛyɛ nisu saa na ɔde ti wɔ fie kɔ ɔne ne nua mmea ne saa bere ho akɔ kitchen saa because ɛyɛ nisu
kwa meti ya twɛ sɛ nsa betumi aka lawyer Paul Kumi na ka asɛm we yahwɛ ne nsaka awa ha yɛ bɛhwɛ kuku na wɔ ha no na lawyer Paul Kumi deɛ na ɔbɛ mu a yɛ bɛhwɛ return the purse money in 7 days ɛne the finder baako no return the purse money in 7 days a court order but OSP disagree and vows to fight nana esi sika no yɛmfa nkɔ ɛna special prosecutor say ɛyɛ ne ha memfa sika bɛnkɔ enti yɛtra sɛ bɛka lawyer Paul Kumi na ɔma nkyekyem nansa lawyer amaeɛ no ɔmɔden ada dɔhomayɛ
akora hwɛ sɛ yɛama wo adwuma ne yɛama wo ho mmara sɛ adwuma wei mmara wei na ɛbata ho mmara ɛbata ho nyinaa ne sɛ asɛm ba wo no nea wobɛyɛ ne sɛ kɔ na kɔhwehwɛ mu a na wonya evidence biara ɛfata na esusu sɛ ampa sisi ade wa arrive to the point a wobɛtumi de asɛm na akɔ a na wode asɛm na akɔ court ne akɔ prosecute nipa no but wo yɛ arrest wonchi nipa enkosisi asset no wonya ne ɛbɛyɛ ni nyinaa wie a na wanya wo proof no na fo de asɛm na akɔ court na ne court ndra no ɔka ne sɛ look at this asana wukura obeba court no wakɔ sisi nipa na set de wonsa atoto so akɔ ne dan mu akɔ yiyi ni sika na de nyinaa wi ansana obɛka kyerɛ me sɛ me fa tabonto no so ana sɛ me hwɛ na asɛm o sɛ no wanya ne sa wukura wabu mmra so mmra na wode yɛ adwuma na nkasa wonnim wabu mmra no so enti kɔ na fa na de kɔma no na wo wi a waba na yaka ho asɛm yo
yɛnsa ka constitutional lawyer yɛnwura Paul Kumi ne nkyi akuapem ha akuapem adukrom
one of the finest
lawyer deɛ no kura ne nyame anim yɛmu bia wokɔna lawyer dwe French French what or dwe French wakyɛ French kwa woni fa pɛn anɔpɛ yɛne lawyer ntwetwe nkɔmmɔ lawyer ma wakye o na ho yɛ deɛ
Yami adom me bare.
Ebi to be ka kreke. Lawyer mo le kuma ni na onko papa ye beda wase. Na lawyer anopa yi ye da soro ye fitinura na ebobo ba ampa ye ba ya nkrata mu ni ade ese ye sisila da pasika no ye se ye mfa na ade mfa ma no na OSP special prosecutor so se da bi obetwea na mramu no kwan ban so na efa ya ese efa ne sika mani kwan amanfo chese kwan fa so ekọ ne ho no mko na enam kwa papa so afi sika no so yemfa na ade mfa no emra bi ho no mase na ade ma no na
Yo ela se bebre
yeah
ma me chia binia no ma ewe kwa mi na me fast na kasa fili so nsese yɛbɛtoa so a na sɛnea yɛnim yɛn sɛ kwapemfoɔ yɛnim de yɛpa so wie yɛwɔ obuo yɛnim deɛ ɛyɛ ahotew no yɛbɛtoa so ayɛ ne saa afoforɔ bebree ɛnyaeɛ a nka wɔn te sɛnea yɛn yɛteɛ no nti ma yɛmfa biribia na mfa mfitwi fam na yɛnyɛ biribi a ɛbɛma saa nnunyam no a yɛwɔ no ɛfiri hɔ no maka no no awie no biribiara yɛyɛ ɛwɔ court anaa biribiara yɛyɛ wɔ Ghana ha a ɛyɛ ekuo a ɛyɛ aban ate saa ekuo no ɛsɛ sɛ obi mmra akyi na ɔde yɛ deɛ ɔreyɛ yɛ mame sisiladapa asɛm no a aba no deɛ ne farebae ɛne sɛ ne nkurɔfoɔ bi a wɔte ne hɔnom no wɔyɛ ne sika fifi na ekyire ne yɛakye wɔn a yɛka ma akɔdu sɛ yɛfa sika bɛyɛ $1 no million and some other foreign denominated monies and no and special prosecutor no also so say nneɛma si ɛkɔ so no special prosecutor no ɛwɔ tumi a ne ɛka sɛ obi biara a ɔwɔ bibia bi a ɛyɛ bibia a aban ɛde maa no anaa ɛkɔ politics mu kakra na ebi a special prosecutor no bi anya adwi bi sɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so yi ɛtame akɔyɛ sɛ dream ebi ɛwɔ mu nti ɛsɛ sɛ ɔhwehwɛ mu no special prosecutor no ɛwɔ ho kwan ɛwɔ mmara kwan so no sɛ ɔbɛhwehwɛ ɛno ɛnam so nti a ma special prosecutor no ɔfrɛ ɛsila bapa ɔne ne kunu ɔmo ba ɛyɛ special prosecutor no ne office ama yɛ sɛbio buni bɛka sɛ they were arrested yɛsɛ yɛkyerɛ ɔmo yɛka no yɛn kwan ɛte ase a yɛkyerɛ ɔmo yɛkyerɛ ɔmo no mu asɛm na yɛkyerɛ ne yɛmɔ ɔmo bail ɛno akyi no ɛna ɛkɔba sɛ ɔmo nkurɔfoɔ no ɛkɔɔyɛ a ɔmo kɔ ɛyɛ de obuni frɛ no search ɛwɔ ne fie na ɔmo de hu saa sika yɛ a yɛaka ho asɛm ɛno nso so no special prosecutor no ɔmo office no ɔmo ɔmo kwan sɛ ɔmo bɛtumi akɔ na ɔmo akɔyɛ saa section no a ɔmo fa warrant ɛmfa nkɔ sɛ ɔmo wa bi sɛ ɔmo ankɔ ntɛm a ebi asaa adeɛ na ɔwɔ fie hɔ no nipa kɔ no bɛtumi ɛde asie anaasɛ ɛbere ɛmma mu ntɛm ama mo ntumi nkɔ court ɛnkɔgye warrant nti no ɔmo kɔ na sɛ ɔmo kɔ hu ɔmo kɔ yɛ saa search na ɔmo gita ɛho warrant na ɛba sɛ ɔmo nsa ka agyapadeɛ bi a wɔ hɔ sɛ yɛ sika sɛ yɛ gold sɛ yɛ dɛbɛn no ɔmo nsa ka wie a mmara no kyerɛ sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɛna nson emu no ɔmo tumi ɛkɔ court na nneɛma no a ɔmo akɔ akɔsi na sɛ nneɛma na ɔmo de ɔmo nsa ato so no court ɛma ho court no ɛfoa so sɛ ampa nneɛma na ɔmo akɔsi no ɛntoa so saa anaasɛ saa sija no a ɔmo akɔyɛ no ɛnyina hɔ saa na ɛno ɛna special prosecutor na after sɛ akɔ sɛkyi sisadapa efi ɛwɔ abelenkwe cantonment any other place no ɔde saa sija nneɛma no ɛde akɔ court sɛ court ɛmfa ne nsa ɛmfa ɛnto so ana court ɛmfoa so sɛ nneɛma no a wɔde wɔn nsa ato so no ɛnyina ho saa na ɛno na ɛnora no court no ɛka sɛ saa adwuma no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ no a ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛ confirm saa sija no ɛsɛ sɛ anka ɔde back court n'anim within 7 days ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde a na ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔno special prosecutor no wɔamfa amma court saa 7 days no nti ɛno no na ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔambu mmara no anaasɛ wɔabu bra no ɛso ɛno nti ɛna ama akɔba sɛ wòle bɛka sɛ section 32 of the Social Prosecutors Office of the Special Prosecutors Act. The can say, as I say, sir, freezing, you know, or court within 7 days after the seizure to do that. But it's an say all one cohort within that 7 days, you know, and no, and ama court no can say one during the time as I say, and I would manage to know. Sir, more application and more can say. Yen fuaso o seizure no, and ya dey bet me I do.
Okay.
Bet me fuaso. So yen fuaso so there and then say nyema na acquisition, you know, one sample you are there fan command and they should do that within 7 days. Until near a buy no and
lawyer 7 days no one fan kwa mrebi wo no mo na kwan bi wo na special prosecutor be fa so ana
you say omo fan kwa the background no a be fan say Sizada pa no obetumi aka che na lawyer for na a friend say omo court na ya bia ogurin friend no mandables just say ombe court so a court aye order say ni ya catch on so moye na moye no ye hye o mu no moye court no dey hye ebe mo mu no moye enu echi say ba say tell o manya e say penyin no wo no ono na ebe dey be back court for contempt of court you know we the first order o moye if they don't comply with the order no the lawyers of Sizadapa can now go to court and seek the order of mandamus. And then if they don't do it, then they can now go to court and then seek contempt of court.
Lawyer Bajo, what can tell me back home? I say today.
Mandamus, no.
Mandamus, no, ha.
Mandamus, I know you say court no and show open court no and show say near ya can say ye no as I say we ye.
Okay.
Unyami ya can say ye bibi say you know as I say we ye.
Lawyer no pay better was in Chichimu, or there might be beachy as you are. You best sign Abba a won't ebu. Why? You better was a pa. Constitutional lawyer Pokumi, and ye tin kind of person watch it and Simu at the far a ye mammy, and see other Pascal and Famano and Wongame. Or I must say, Uti lawyer, dear, not just was it. Some of this kind of questions say, Quire say, special prosecutor Faso and Sana. Ebia omonsa akaskano sa kwano went to me and to me anfa so kwame.
Diman, I think say a brand same we buy no na questions be bro na.
I mean you can say questions lawyer answer most of
the
yeah.
I think say.
Yes you adwene ya adwuma.
Yes, why just.
I say you back for yes you adwene ya adwuma.
Why justice to rate no.
We yan central ni nko ade. Sebe.
Adwene.
Nya ne be kwa ne nyamesemo.
It's some of the questions are now you be ebisane here. On say the OSP Act na Act 2017 na the one thing say Act 2017 na it talks about in Shishene OSP no ebe faso ayen ejuma and ewo ho we no say article they be quoting article na sa na ye dey akwa and we in arrangement of sections na section 38 of the act na akasa edify freezing of properties and okwa OSP be faso sabi adenensa to obi ejapade so and the boy me be say me kan na you say according to Marano, and a court and Yantum, and now say, Sanko inform me court, no, and so as a time frame because I was only 14 days. Within the 14 days, now inform me court, no, that's when you can freeze the asset or the property of a year on the Barcona Oregon. As in section 38 now, it talks about a year and 34. No, a casa edifa a year say OSP no betima ko obi fi akwa bono search ne ade akwa hwehwem ni am we reach 38 na and also no ekasa edefa freezing of property
kwa so betima freeze ba so oje no
OSP na nka se okoje fini se odene sa atoso na wan ye won twhwemu so I think that we shouldn't misquote saa way no wanka so origin fi ni ontumi nye mfi ni nsam oni mo de nsare to so na mo no ye nhwehwemu bi awi ne nse saa sika yi de zabe okwan of fast ya okwan papa
so kwame this lawyer can say
and nya no kwa court and I got OSP no bibi obey after we get investigations in nyina no obe push e dey akoma court no
kwame say oje you know enko court nti na almost your farm
and that's what I'm saying say ohwe section 38 of the OSP Act now 2017 now freezing of property where the property or where the special prosecutor considers that freezing of property is necessary to facilitate an investigation or prosecution, the special prosecutor shall in writing direct the freezing of A, the property of a person or entity being investigated. It's here no nipa why no investigation. It's just say OSP no bit my then. Actually, B. Specified property held by a person or entity other than the person or entity being investigated or prosecuted. 2. That's Act 38(2). No, the special prosecutor shall within 14 days after the freezing of the property apply to the court for a confirmation of the freezing. Into way no of freeze the property no and assets no.
Yeah. Now
and within us so chokoma court within 14 days. You mean I say that bang and a freeze assets no. And chokoma court so within the 14 days So something I can say. So we need to do all these things. Obri obu mrano so anaza wamfa mrano.
I'm tell la church ni nyina mu say wanye.
Oh, but we need to say, you need to say, until court, the internal court dismissing another court on funny property in command because of the court is me freezing any properties. Na me be say, yes, answer no. So the problem here is, or the question here is, within the 14 days or now.
And so 14 days.
Okay.
Yes, so until within the 14 days now. It means according to Emrano.
Yeah.
So
we can do 14 days.
So I say,
and by na public na hey no.
But you know the 14 days start from day 1 to day 14. So after 14 days,
and only working days in show.
Working days.
40 working days. Okay.
Yes, I understand. And it also the special prosecutor shall within 14 days. Shall we within 14 days. Within 14 days. After say freezing assets, I did change my trial command court. But exceeding 14 days, that's when be a wabu wow act. So, my question is just OSP no a year within the 14 days. Bra, Osi or the Nesato Naja Partisan or ye or chalk command court within 14 days now. And I had no chalk command court a court. And I will say, apply to the court for a confirmation of the freezing. The court in a baby jar to say, okay, you know, some na nature pardon now don't start to bet me don't start at to so now. And now, to me fans so ruling about is a court in this own to me fans and to a nature pardon also. But as a court in Zuma,
dear, own to me. Okay. I think with the appendix, you know, and lawyers and beijing Comosa, Nafi, and Tia send it to me. I boy, what they say, it's a bit to me. I can't our help now. And so, yeah, cool, yeah, or China in it, you are the chain, you are not so. Yajin Chimney, I share, yes, assassinate. First one, name but so new Africa impact, and then first one, so bet to me. And the Abanana, minimum say. Near Kwame account the Kakrabe can one afi.
Nka ne kwan so no de woma wadwuma wo kyerɛw do's and don'ts. Niama wo bɛyɛ ɛne niama ensese wo yɛ. Enti sɛ within 14 days na wo say ɛsese wo de kɔ na ye confirm ma wo say ye ansa na wakɔ akɔyɛ. But we no wo hwɛ ne akɔso na oko freeze account no ansa na ode asam no ereba court anim so ade ase but anka wo betwura akoma court no say ade se na ekoso na mehwa mehu say miniama bi koso enti me pese me gina mra we so na mede asam no mede mensa eto na japade no so
okay
na court no ka kire say you ekwan da ho kwa na wako ba we no de oko freeze ejapade no ɛde ne nsa kɔtoo so ansana ɔba bɛka kyerɛ court
Okay.
wɔn watutu anoma no ho aba bisa court no sɛ anoma bɛni woyɛ ne saa deɛ ana kyerɛ sɛ wɔnni mmara no a wɔde ama wo no so
Okay.
ɛno nso na court no gyina yɛn a ɔsɛ ɔmfa ne sika nkɔ
lawyer chichim in-house lawyer nso so achichim ne sɛ na mo yɛbɛkɔ so adi akyiri na atumi ayɛ wɔ yɛ ɔsɛ the inquisitor Chumberema praises Napo Magdan's biggest salt mine in Africa comes alive. And a simple question: who in Jubilee House is operating advertising public relations outfit with the daughter and creaming huge government deals and arranging celebrity visit to the presidency? Now you say, "Send be brave or ye radin Yankopon radin we mobo na kwame no kwasem ayensem de mama ntro ado agiri nsem pese we ka bi odaroma na na kwame nra no kwasem ekopie mu wo kwasi bia hotel na ese odura 2023 unse lunch na etumi etofem na lunch na etofem ni mu no na iwi na sim bisa ko san kwasem ohwe program outline ya ade nyina tinso omma yibi na ansa na betimi eden kaibo na ba no Farouk miji se sani ansam na abroso Farouk ida se oni Ghana ana se bibi esa na ne koba ya ne se nimrananom ede na a ye de bedi dwumadi ni nyina no ede ato eye edwa enti enna no eni ye nhwe na amanfo ehu da odwura no be sha ase ne baabi ba kodu eye enyina enti se na etie na nana baabi wo ha no mo a etie sha o say various car parks and their color codes baabi amanfo be park cars ne ade nyina no omo ye ho nya hyehyɛ Christ Presby as running ho no 50 Ghana cedi so park car Christ what my 50 and eye a shoe fabric one more 20 and a municipal assembly one no 20 and a Grace 20 and a junior school 20 the colors no Christ fund near green and a shoe fabric there red and a municipal assembly no yellow and a Grace there no blue and a junior school there no brown in 2020 Ghana into park and 1 week. Now what you park car home
now what you need oh when ye
park car home
now what
you need na kwame now what you 20 into park car home na ye the security features bi ni ma bi ka ho se kwame ye di ko park ne car fan say wo eye moshafo a obetu car na ye ni ma bi agugu akwan mu bi dia dance se kwame dia enti na now the wuntima metu na wuntime nso bi se o metu nso emfa ma
one as okutu ade
okay na jumadi no ba sha se ejuada 25th September 2023
25th September
25th September and ejuada na 26th ebeto aso 27th ebeto aso na 28th ato aso na on the 1st na nanu makoda ase
1st October
nanu makoda ase abre na okoma so fufu no ejam ti nanu na ase mra no nya fufu no ejam se ohene ni di badwam janfo no be hye fie
na de wonde akoma wo
okay timi ato aso na enura no kwa me asem a eba ho no mo a ebeto odwa ne se ubi a wode atade a ennam ne kwan mu ebeba eyokwa bema ha anekropon ha no nananom entwema wo
atade a
ese ubi a shata ne ya pai ho na sabi nufu nugu ho uza ase last year no osofo man ko bi na me ofie na me twa nyame ani wa ne ho mun ka je me ne se ase ma bi ne ade yiyo mo ho ne ade nti afi we no mo hwe se sa ma no bi yiyo ho no nananom de asotwe bi ebeto efam de ama na mbisa ase obi tene kai mu wawura mu dada wasi oshatade a sebe ya indecent ya ma perseverance apamatade ama no ana kwasuansa na apamatade ama no ana ACP apamatade ama na ase ye pamo no so onko ana ye ne den oni ana nana akra hene se angese mbisa sa ko me de minimum de na so nana asem a ye nyina na ye dwene ho isi okwa ma no emusom ne ade enye mo nkwa mo de bio ye som nananom ye no nyina ye nyina na ye dwene ho ndi ye ne den so what I say
oyiwa no akyi
anu ye no ne say ye go bo dawru ne kan kyerɛ mo say wo ba dress decent na bra
decent dressing egu mu ahodo
okay
nea ɛyɛ decent ma wo no ɛnyɛ decent ma me
okay
enti me decent ɛyɛ different ɛna wo decent ɛyɛ different sɛbe obi etumi hyɛ atare tietia ana sɛ ɔhyɛ nika ketewa bi na wahyɛ atare agu so na ɔdere nam wo hu a ebi a wosom enti wobɛka se saa nti no ɛnyɛ decent
okay
so ate ase
okay
wosom no nti ɛna gidi a wowɔ
Okay.
ɛna adwene a wowɔ nti wobɛka se ɛnyɛ decent but wo nso wo decent na wobɛhyɛ kaftan bɛhyɛ sɛbi muslim fo de bi you ɛbɛsi form no
kwa mo say friends eh
Jarabia.
Jarabia.
wohyɛ jarabia wo nsa akɔva wo nsa ho ne wo nan ho nyinaa ɔno nso hwɛ odin ɔsɛ sɛbesɛbe de nkura sesɛm ni ana guabɔ ase sɛ wahyɛ atare fiti wo soro abɛka asa ade worekɔ asɔre anaa sɛ wokɔfrɛ nyame ɔno nso ɔhwɛ wo saa no a ɔhu sɛ ɛnyɛ decent ma no anka guabɔ ase a wɔreba no nka hyɛ fashion na yi bi na wohu sɛ yes wo nso wowɔ kurom enti sɛ woka sɛ decent de a that word borɔfo no ɛsono biara ne sɛdeɛ nti ase ɛte
okay kwame ɛti oba dress decent na fabra
I think so.
Okay.
And I agree with him 100%. So,
dabe
on the one thing in Africa, say they use morals to the laws.
yeah
There's no law in Ghana. Ekasafa decency.
dabe
Anything any among Ghana as it stands now, obi a gay and a lesbian, unto find in court.
exactly
Because in maybe anywhere, Ekasafa,
gay
gayism and lesbianism. I feel now you're trying to pass somebody pass
no
it.
kura so yenya
Pass
pass
it, say pass it, yeah, and then we'll be a gay and we'll be a lesbian. Wait a minute, court. Ain't on the even the gay and the lesbian, okay, use morals. And a young someone, or someone yam some. Someone else, and you know the back of right, I got using be a lesbian, or which may and I can be a lesbian because now piano on pay. But until say a person, Rabino, and he don't to me because a lesbian and also a gay. Let's come to the addressing. There's no Mrabian Wagana. Casafa Ataria, as it will be Ashan.
e kwa me say o cha tare bia ho gu ho no ne ade a ye ntwema ho
Some American say, Ata Mrabian Wagana. Actually, say, oh, she trousers, oh, she nika, on to me, she
en kwa me nana no ye di
But I'm
afashe
saying, say, here and we are talking about morals.
but
Yensu, and you're moving in the end, ye be a no, and for Sanya
man
man.
so yeah okay
But now, I'll say you who say, Ojurano so atra okuya man. Say, Ojuraya announce it. You expect outsiders to come.
kwa me tina na me question na me bisa na kana na yi anoma me say kwan ben so
And
di
that's where I'm coming.
enti bi anka ye be ma akosu ansa no ma pam ayi ntade ayi sa be trousers na susu da koto ene de show say yim say prison for ntade ni bi na de namu umbe yi ho ha
The boy,
Yeah, man.
if our morals tells us, say, yen share atarin tietia, and inti ananana say, then I'll say morals even frowns upon and sanum.
yeah
Say, yeah, Christopher.
enti mebu bebre mebu su bebre
I'm saying it talks about insanum.
Insano.
Yeah, Christopher. Yeah, Christo man. Ukama ukra the press into and then sorry abusu okromo anti. Aka yen say morals on talks against drinking of alcohol.
And
Just say
cigarettes.
I say, mema ya no one sakra. That's what I'm saying. They be an find emotions.
And yeah
And yade.
kwa me say bia hu bi paint you e bia hu bi paint e bia last year na course so
we've been talking about this. There was last
eti
year.
kwa me yen kan tom sa so we de na no mani ambre pam
I'm saying na no mani bira na abre no nhyehyɛ bɛn na wɔde aguo.
ɛna ebi ni sɛ yɛn hwɛ na yɛn kan tom sɛ da bia afi we die na na mo de ahyɛ yɛn sa
wɔde bɛɛ.
ɛno na anu yɛ na ama no
the boy sɛ obi de atare bi a wosusu sɛ ɛnsɔ ani ɛba na sɛ wodwoodwo no gua mu a obɛtumi de wakɔ court
dabi yɛde bɛma nkurɔfoɔ nana hema baako bɛyi ano
ɔde no ma yɛna
nkurɔfoɔ wɔ hɔ no mo
who are they the police service
police service wɔ hɔ
police ntumi arrest you say ɔsɛ nika
obi a wahyɛ nika na wahyɛ atare ketewa bi
what we are saying is that if say the morals na yɛ fine fair enough
okay
ɛyɛ futu ni yɛde ma wɔn sɛ okura mɛmu ni yɛn
yɛn
morals
mpɛ saa ahanti afiwe nananom srɛ sɛ
nkɔyɛ kyenkyen
ba
akyi
wotumi nhyɛ no
ɛnyɛ kyenkyen ɛyɛ ade srɛ de
ɛne yɛsrɛ mo
si obi aho kwan so sɛ mo mba
ɛne ma me nsrɛ ma nananom sɛ yɛsrɛ wɔn wɔ ɛba no sɛ ɔba
ɛyɛ ade srɛ de na ade bɛto wɔn
decency
anim
mmerɛ mu but ɔba na sɛ ɔhyɛ n'atare a
ntumi ka kyenkyen akyi de nsa wɔhyɛ atare police arrest no anaasɛ ɔnkɔ yi anapa mo no
woyɛ sa waharase no
no
ɔbɛtumi asi wo court
nti no ayi fofie nso na de betwa to Kwame fofie na Friday fofie October 6 2023 fofie na de betwa ɛyɛ odwira no nyinaa fruma na de nyinaa tumi akɔnka nti wɔn ɛba no nyinaa ɛnhyɛ no nso transfer on the driver yɛbɛbɔ awura mu kakra yɛyɛ saa announcement na ade nyinaa tumi akɔ nkan sɛ ɛnɛ no ɛbrɛ no yɛtumi ayɛ ɛnɛ no so yɛka sɛ yɛbɛbie no amanfoɔ aba mu kakra nti no sima enum abɔ 9:25 nti by 9:35 deɛ na ɛkurosu line no 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛde afa Sicily Adapa ne sika yi ɛho odwira indecent dressing yɛka ho asɛm ɛsɛ gracia na ya anka yankɔ gracia no so ɛna cool so ɛba ba ne ɛde sisi ne ade no woso obi a ɔde bɛka ho bi a ɔdaroma na odi etumi aka ho 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 ɛna wotumi afrɛ na wode wadwenkyerɛ ɛso so ɛde abana de nyina atumi akɔ nkan Kwame nimu no ɛbra yɛtwɛn sɛ course no bi ba no na yɛmfa nkaebɔ no ɛmfa mfam sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ɛbɛtumi asi ntam na ade nyina atumi awie ntam Kwame na wote borɔfo nti memfa nsuo deɛ no ma na nananso memfa nananso wona wopɛ dan asi nti memfa sike dan no ɛnso ɛmfa mo no afei ne aka no ɛnwudwa ɛngum saa adaroma Kwame ma yɛnkɔɛ ɛnso obi aba nti no yɛnkɔ ne ntam hello audition be ni
Pate we Shumeka ti mo ka fi ra janse
asafu Shumeka
meja
akoma ni
o fie pe
mo kwa ma no kama wa dwen chambra na yenkɔ why
ye thank you na o de yan pofo so ka ti Yakobon nsira na ja fie we edi ne wo fie ni edi mu ya tene nka wo mia de bere de ombu ana fie di so enko kan masema meka ne se ne di kan ye sa ku na esisi no endo na me hwe videos bi na hwe so campaign no do ho do ha ye so be di president na se na no na udwuna oman no na president o ba hwe sika wa park ahye gu bags esi dem no man ho tem to face den na be school na nya de papa school nya be sometimes na man bi wo ho a ko je do dwene ho won ti ase nti bi sa yet mi nya mra bi a nkase bi so ma o ya president o ya se na obi be ko pension a 50 years no ko pension I say
asafo bisa sofo line no
bi say ntanyefo nso onim di
ese correction afa line no yeah ti Kwame ne aye ne de sofo line no say a freezy nti no ebe koso na 0551667755 etu betu so awrom na de nyina tumi akonkan e de ma bra ye kasa na obamu a ye be ma wonso wabam na de nyina tumi akonkan de ma Kwame na yenkwe odaruma fansu nhyia se mai
yemfansu nhyia se
obi aba na yenkwe bi we hello
me line ka ti o
hello
Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Jimo me line ka ti na me ka ojira na asem no. Ojira mpe no wa ti.
Kasane ente woni kasana enko ni why?
Ba je o se.
Kasane ko sofo.
Yo. Na me ojira.
Hello sofo.
Yes, hello. Ba je o se me ka.
Me te won kasane ko ja wadaro ma enko why?
Na me ojira no aya sometimes dresses ni bi wo ho a enye na mpenfo no wo hyehyɛ ojira. Nto ana wo si ade a ye pese wo de ba ojira na se ene sa ade we. Nto wo ntimi mfa wo de enya na wo pe emma. Me ye me program na me me programming dress code and pese wo de bani. Nti say wo tie me say wo fe say me dress code wo ntimi ndi so dia. Ene me emma kwanti mpenfo no wo fa onansi bo no won ti committee na wo chiro bi sa na wo fa no fa mbra kwan so yakopon hira mo.
Jo, osofo ye beda wase nti mpanyefo nti committee dem say eho edada kwame ntade e beto ni nyina afi we ntade ni nyina beto no online numbers committee ntade ni nyina no office of campaign me kai metroye na etimi ade aye we nti obewa ko to atade no online na yia aye kama edinya betu gwale kwame mayenko kwame Kwame Mayenko. Kwame Mayenko.
Meti say osofu say oruba famara kwanso. I can't just mrebi enu Ghana. And even if Nana
Kwame, your announcement na mama.
Okana mrabe na Nana no mudi aguo in terms of decency.
Ana me say Nana no want to materials ma ko answer no perseverance. Na yempempam. Eto ba na hungu a. Kwame
Memfan withdraw that statement. Nana no so be yedi need and oguma won. Mesero. Aye. You know why? Anya Nana ko tonta ma mo bi so nko pam go say.
Say o ba na watade no e bia short wa. Nana ma watade. Me ko Nana no ma watade ma me.
Yemfa obu ani ni di nanom.
Sebe na retwa no dwura ana wa ba na program ontimi nkopam antade
atade o se nya ne fede a o se ko pam yes ana meka
na nka won pam bi ngu ho
enguo tuba na
so de anya possible sa anya possible sa na ni sa brenda edu odwura tama enya gori o
se
na kura no ompu abonten so bepu abonten na
sene
yemko na
enya gori time
eko odwura asemu yi mo odwura definitely mo ba no munzu odwura ne de amanfo ebe nante wakwa obu a up and down sa nya hwe koba sa fififiri sa keke no na emu elu ya bebre obe no munzu na nanom hokwo ebe nyina no mo be serve o munzu ene ade na nsu a na no pamare kanfo amawo se also onom na etumi eboa na eboa nipadua no Vena natural mineral water na se Vena water eno ana no pay make kanfo de amawo Vena nsu no ye nsu keke enzu a na say onoma eboa ma unipadua no ejina na nanso sanso na uskin honam dua na nkasa no eno so ma na toso kama pa nti ene uba no nsu bia dia Vena water ene ni nsu a obia ebo Jesu se wi ana ye nsu papa onoma di se ebura mu nsu no yes na se kama pa na de ba ko e wo Vena ho se oto a enye se wanu mu nsu na wato na Vena so ejeni sika egu no kotokum de bi osisika na aya mo beto nsu na onya no odibi ko nkrofo na se nkrofo nchen obi wa na ho akere no na ontumi inya adwuma bi nye no o se obuya adwuma edema no nti we no ato ne din se changing lives say osisa ama nkrofo abrabo nti ne nsu no beto a no ato Vena na no nsu yenya akwenya etumi ade asesa nkrofo abrabo nti odwura ide sorry ya party ori ya yi ori ya bibia ufi kura wonu no musu de bia wo ya ho doctor for kura jezi anom about 8 glasses of water ntuba no musu dia na je say eno a Vena water eno ana me so make am for enso no e dia ma shop for no munko tu Vena ni megum na odwira yemfa ndi odwira fi ya mo ba eno ana yenso yenu mo antina be share the boy na nanim the boy when you but small fresh fish
November 17th number 44 years
yes no it's a fresh fish
yeah 17th November 1979
one is always a man say boy
yeah say kwame hwe me hu ye
Vena na the boy anu ma why fine you Vena water and na no pay me so make am for e dey am you man
yeah nana for the
okay obesi dan na se wo vision wo ani so ade hunu se wo pese wo sidan a ana se make say kura ugu adan si so a ore sidan a deɛ ho hia ɛne sɛ wobɛnya materials papa a yɛde si dan na wode asi wo dan ɛno na hia hwɛ sika pɛ yɛ den enti sɛ wonya sika na wobɛsi dan a menkɔ nkɔtɔ adwoadwo gbogba nneɛma biara kɛkɛ ne ɛmfa nsi dan ɛma wo ɛno nti na CK Asare Hardware wakɔ na wakɔfa nneɛma ɔno ankasa tu kwan akɔ aburokyiri akɔfa nneɛma papa a ɛyɛ ne yɛde si dan na ɛma dan no te apɔ na wowie nso a finishing no wow ɛfɛ ne nyinaa ne sɛ wopɛ biribi te sɛ POP cement a wopɛ POP cement correct one a ɛhɔ na wobɛnya skimming power ɛhɔ na wobɛnya wopɛ fiber ɛhɔ a na ɛwɔ binding wire plywood plastic board ne nyinaa omega channel ɛhefa ɛdeɛn corner mode ne nyinaa nadoa nkasa koraa no a yɛde bɔ dan so no wonim sɛ nadoa no ebi wɔ hɔ a ɛnyɛ papa wobɔɔ yɛ agba na akoa batɔ no nea wakɔfa aba no den prego ɔsɛ dade ɛno bɔ so atum sɛ yes wabɔ dadoa so ɛno ɛna carpenterfoɔ no wɔn ani gye ho paa enti mepa kyɛw sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ adwuma no w'adwuma ho te a kɔ CK Asare Hardware office hɔ na kɔkɔtɔ nneɛma store no so kakra na nneɛma gumu bebree so enti no mekyerɛ wo wɔwɔ Akuropɔn Akuapem ha ya Akuropɔn Akuapem ha ya kɔ old court house hɔ ɛhɔ ɛna wodu hɔ apɛ ɔde hwɛ wobɛhu sɛ wɔn ɛna wɔn bi wɔn shop kɛse paa ɛwɔ hɔ na nneɛma ɛwɔ mu nso de bebree wɔ hɔ amambɔdin wɔ ha wokɔ hɔ a wobɛhu saa nneɛma no nyinaa wɔ hɔ na watumi afa bi na wɔde ayɛ adwuma ɛho hia papaapa wɔn nam a wobɛtumi afrɛ ansa na wɔn wɔn atwitwe nkɔmmɔ koraa no nso ɛwɔ ha ɛyɛ 055 3544 257 and I say 0241 386 379 ofro one sabekon and I say 057 664 3245 ofro mpe on sabekon papa nanka sanso na befa no ne wo akasa won wo fie de affordability woniama bo efo
Dima yada so CK Asare no on say usisi demu ni ade nyina awie ni ade a bu a obu ni dan no kroto party
abranti wo me ho ato party on dan no kama na obo high life nyina wo
fantastic nti ene no to niama na CK Asare Ventures wo ana hardware won e de asidan na wi rubu anu ato party asa to party intense to ya to party but to party no so ya obonya nsa wa ase nya party nkwa ore yayi ore ware odwira du bai ni nyina paus ni se ma akoto tonsa bibia mo beko akoto nsa na na buo form na ye stand ba be ja o
odwira be friends of a safori e be bibi kakra nti ho ne ba akoto nsa no
friends of Lampard so be bibi kakra yen so akoto CK Asare ho nti na no so boot for boot na ye se anu so CK Asare Ventures aba o se the open soft drinks yes noko di upe bi ato a na ye se oba no ho a ubenya dudu bi a ope no on sabe ka sanso na alcoholic beverage say nia emu ya den kakra eno de boy nchera mpe nti eno so no moko ho a mobenya pause no mo na minimum anya monko na monko tu ni nyina emfemfi CK Asare Ventures
mempendi obi de be chema mintementon
jesi wo we ba fia na dia serve yang
grofo be srawa
bottled water so obi enti ene nsu no say type ben ni nyina no okoye CK Asare Ventures on sabe can drinks no enso ye wana sort enso no ewa yang kachi a oba eno so no on sabe ka say open wholesale and retail no CK Asare Ventures yes ye bedi hujuma enso no etumi ede amao ye chi kwa manfie Akuapem ye ben eye CAC Asare no eye Christ Apostolic Church awope ene ne CK Asare Ventures yes yo manfie Akuapem eye CAC Asare ne nchempe ane de nso ya wotibra na unsusem o drinks sem ni nyina no fa na fa bedan ye na ye nso no yende hujuma emfa emma open chire mu bia fra 0203 967 574 0203 967 574 ana 0246 524 746 0246 524 746 now the CK Asare Ventures and so ending come CK Asare Ventures was the home of affordability.
Ya kwa me na sorry some say Breno and Atimi Akonanim Bebrena, President University Ghana, School of Graduate yesterday said, among for Amra, emerge additional and to us so Enfield Educational Studies Afibako, in Fimian where we Enfield Educational Studies now Afibako, public Master of Public Health and Afi MSc Financial Risk Management and so Afi and Afi MSc Environmental Health and Sanitation and so Afibako and what President School he said. Akwanya papa so be ME International Development and afi Natural Resource Management and so afi ba akosa na okura degree betumi aboa afi wo diploma so betumi aboa na mo ahyenso de ne nsem a yaka de ato nse obi ono pese oba na so degree wo ni bi president for abadaye enne nyamesuru nti omse bra na omeboa amansa tumi aka wo degree na ade nya tumi akonkan e de amount wadi mfishi aduanan e betumi aboa why you man fish here no baby betumi aboa and afi we are ni nyina be call interview na interview no mu opasia na fi ya fa school yi mu www.presidentuniversity.edu.gh ene abefo anantintinta de sua kwantempon kwan so betumi ahwe mo chiri kwan na de nyina tumi akonkan de ma 0551 510 034 and afi 0202 277 210 President University yesua ade abechere nchirima so ade papa
Dominion Herbal Center Saropay main kanjo so the new ababonsen ababesa oyarewa netuase enso na de afiwo area maw Saropay Angels Dominion Herbal Center si Dominion Herbal powder no aba ana afenso no Dominion Herbal ointment na powder no juma edini wa diabetes sabi eha no mansanka Dominion Herbal powder stroke ana eje wabusuani bi awdena boso a powder Dominion ebitu acid efiwo high blood pressure mojabroso eyi edifuo sanso na wachi dompe no ehona atochima o masaka Dominion Herbal powder ni bia ebeboa insomnia eduanoju a yo wade obadana na ese abono nan untumi na ni nyana ne hawadwene o masaka Dominion Herbal powder ibia eno so beboa na esi sa ohaw ni nyana no kwan enso no ede amaw yare bia ehaw ni padua no mansanka Dominion Herbal powder ibi na eno so emboa esanso ye meal booster nto ma beboa ama ni padua no egina ne nan so obanum Dominion Herbal powder o so no pa indidi ansa indidi na fa eye insuation cap baako fa teaspoon isa Dominion Herbal powder yi baako pe fagum na num juan jokakra na wanom na watwen 15 to 30 minutes ansa na wadidi anojo fanso udidi wi a just watching 15 to 30 minutes na fi wanom Dominion Herbal powder yi na onso no ama waden aba ene obanum Dominion Herbal powder also di infe ayedumien edeko abatan ana apemfo ama wo manufo no so no anya dia ene mobetumi anom Dominion Herbal powder ni bi Dominion Herbal ointment nso aba ukotodwe onsa obeti mo ye adwumade mason fo carpenter fo driver fo amatana se che busisi nyina wa atochema o ma saka Dominion Herbal ointment a o de srasra so pe abekwa no na ye de massage ofia bana baby girls ya chama to na what the family ceremony ade ansana ma betana ha aba bibia kama pa make don di atwena no oyeno wane yago nyama na bibia nkan ba ko nso di kunadu wa
kunadu kunadu yes kwa me
de umfensi mi won fensi
kwa me de nyame ahira o
won fensi mi
yago oyeno wa kunadu
kunadu me bana o de ajutwu mi kama pa na bibia kama
why okay why okay
Angels Dominion Herbal Center na this anru nyina ba opebi ato Akofori Gabson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy oyini na na eba obenya bi abrin so na Sumbe House okwa onsabeka so emenya na Giza Pharmacy nkram eso kanji drug lane mampone kwapem Dorochi Chemicals ana Faustin Chemicals oho nyina no okwa onsabeka Dominion Herbal powder Dominion Herbal ointment na nsumanya bi ato open dodo etu ato so a Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited abon kokko. And our friend, 0543 158 195 0543 158 195 and 0245 588 266 0245 588 266. Now, so the Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited in the Encomo Dominion Herbal powder was your number one immune booster for your well-being.
Yeah, I just also no pay na no ndubu akwa me ne apam fo na ba no okuma e the full festival kwa me be kan asem twa to e say okọ there why tell if you that okay
funu de amafun kra won ato me no
Yeah.
ebi so de agba na beba
enra me koya announcement say me de master for ne ba kwa me jai enu am ho papa bi o je say o ti say announcement say bofuo wo fra ne ntama o baba no na da bi
bre no so
da bi je to bo ase nyumre
amafo mi akosi ase me kan kire wa ba akosi ansa
akosia
o so de agba
ai urade
ana beba
sada me ne akosia crew ni nyina na be didi akosia ne ba ni
nyina
nyina
ma aka so ye baby girl na be so ba fufu party ni bia wa be hu me e free fufu obi a made fufu ni free na bibi anya kama
1st October
ogira na kwasida
oba na okita wasanka
na odi aba
ba yin kansha na mama
ma yengu se oni fufu di
live band tuemu band na ba mfoko mo ni ji age no awurade nyame nko na me pe na mo se na mo born first ye de ni je ni nu mo ye de nzen na nu mo ye urade ai Jesus awurade ya fe kwa me jai
ye bia oje eye light bill na do nkotu ya na je se be di ni nsem ko tana ba na no ya ni we dinsa dinsa kono me nko shira mi je ni ba so no akodi light bill
eti fufu party no 1st October and okuma ye de ba odi kro ne abusuafo na wo adenya ne wo mu nyina eba ana fi na no so wo late mami Dora na mama akofa mami Dora de aba na adenya ejahagigi ata members no mfa mo squad ni mu achi safuri squad ne de ye de mumpo ye de omo ba di no ne de ene wo ne wo support safuri na ko squad de wachi na say ma bia e fan ho abrama ma no nyina gina mu abrama ma obapa cuisine don't mind your wife enemeko twoba ba ko no kwa me ne wo no o say want no
ba bia nka nra de me ko
muka
bia nka nra de me ko
bibia be fine
ya be ko
na what person auto stand no 0246 246 875 0246 246 875 and if 0590 124 54 0549 124 54 o fresh our numbers na say fufu party no o person better stand now the skirmishes turn near ma wase kama na bom and rase na nanu di yanim no say nubone hu dwadie de o ma ho kwan it's not allowed into yes so nubone hu dwadie ye ma ho kwan na mo tine don ko bonwum bi ye budidi so pe ohona ye me so pe
ohona jojo esen ya
Minyakameno naso sikasem yara ai enti bufon dia ye nton na mo bi ana amanfo abaye we ho and dia oba na oba hom enti wa pete to stand no okoma hu se dia hu gi ade mu a eche ai 0246 246 875 0246 246 875 and after 0549 012 454 and appa me di Kwame Ohene da akọ nana odey say na osofo say wa badia for experience be boa and then che bia mutena na odey nka na anopa dwumadi no dwagum a na Kwame adi me so be boa na de nyina atumi akonkan edema nyina ho ye chiokwa banchi aga na man na ye nyina ye nkwa so anopa joint ni nyina ye ready joint bia ye ready and duane ni dem Obapa cuisine Abrama na ye 1 and 2 boase to ho and echi ha ho and afi eye don't mind your wife and afi Victoria Street in as well and across ase maybe so call yes I didn't you know abama me across ase and so say yeah trouble
as a man for nim areas no
pa dia no pay no ye beda was na dey nyamisha bebre
yo me da se ma me fa nchi akase nka ema eye nanani no na ya abutachi nkonwa hene ona osafo hene wo abutachi nyamishira wo na man you e wo Manchester yeah otie pa no pay wasene meti ya na osene ayi ma mi oh sir I just say we twa me no we twa wo and o de asene
oh Manchester oh
yeah
eti Manchester for Chelsea for mo hwe Barcelona for nyina so mo hwe eye Donzi asedane bi enkoma o
na fi so hu o kasa na twa e Facebook and all this
okay
no twa me so
okay no Jojaf
ne de ne ma aka nsesam
na eye Kwame edi so na se Ziggy B on the team ni nyina fantastic team K Brown and Mayweather afi odamia yɛwura Gideon Nto ɛna afei yɛwura Ɔkɔreɛ wɔn nyinaa boa ma dwumadi ɛyɛ kama mo nso mo frɛ yɛyɛ announcement na ebi ba bere papa mu no yɛbɛyɛ mo time nkwa ama mo na mafrɛ ɛde awura no pɛyi ɔkoma yɛ de ɔkron nson akyipo baako yɛda mo nyinaa ase mo ne tia yɛgye adehyɛ yɛmu ɛde ama DJ Donzi ɛnkyɛ sports bɛba mo akwan ɛso ɛda mo ase paa bye bye.
Keep quiet. A moment of silence for my baby. Don't talk, let me talk.